Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today I am going to be testing a few things on how to get off stickers. Stickers are obviously a parent's worst nightmare. These are Christmas tags. My kids got into them while we were wrapping presents for the holidays, and now they're on my laminate floors. I have one here and one right here. The first method I'm going to be trying is actually just plain white vinegar. The way this one is supposed to work is actually the acidic value in vinegar is supposed to eat away at the adhesive on the bottom of the sticker. So I got that really drenched. I'm gonna let that sit for a minute. The other one was actually to take cooking spray. So I have some olive oil spray here. I'm gonna spray on this next one. And I guess the oil in the cooking spray is what is supposed to loosen the sticker. So we shall see what happens. I'm gonna give these a minute and come back with nothing more than a sponge, and I want to see which one comes out the easiest, how long this actually takes, and if this method actually works at all. These have been sitting for a minute. This is the one with vinegar. Oh yeah, that's coming up pretty nicely. Okay. Okay, some parts better than others for sure. I'm gonna spray these spots just one more time and give it another scrub. So overall, I'd say I think I needed to let it sit a little bit longer. If I think I would have let that sit for another minute or two, that would have just wiped right up. So I'd say that the vinegar works. Now let's move on to the olive oil spray. So right off the bat, I don't think the olive oil is working nearly as well as the vinegar did. So yeah, that's not coming up. I'm gonna end up just spraying this one off with more vinegar and doing the same thing with this one. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you, and of course I will see you guys in the next video.